Welcome to this tutorial on Google Cloud Platform Console. In this video, we will explore how to navigate the GCP Console interface. The GCP Console is your primary tool for managing all your cloud resources on Google Cloud Platform. Let's get started and learn how to effectively use this powerful web interface. The GCP Console is a browser-based graphical interface that allows you to manage all your Google Cloud resources. It serves as a central hub, providing a single point of access for all GCP services and products. Through this web interface, you can deploy, monitor, and configure your cloud infrastructure visually. The console also provides a comprehensive dashboard that gives you real-time insights into your project health and resource usage. This makes it easy to keep track of everything happening in your cloud environment. The GCP Console interface consists of three main components. First is the navigation menu, which is located in the left sidebar. This menu provides access to all GCP services organized in a clear, structured manner. Second is the header bar at the top of the screen, which contains the project selector, search functionality, notifications, and account settings. Third is the main content area, which is the central part of the screen that displays dashboards, resources, and configuration panels for whatever service or feature you're currently working with. The navigation menu offers several useful features to help you work efficiently. You can pin your frequently used services to the top of the menu for quick access. Services are organized into logical categories such as compute, storage, networking, and more, making it easy to find what you need. There's a built-in search box that allows you to find services and resources instantly without scrolling through long lists. You can also mark items as favorites by starring them, which further customizes your menu to match your workflow. The header bar contains several essential elements. The project selector allows you to switch between different projects and view project information. This is crucial when you're managing multiple projects. The global search feature lets you search across all resources, services, and even documentation, making it easy to find exactly what you're looking for. The notifications icon keeps you informed about alerts, updates, and system messages, so you always know what's happening with your cloud resources. The GCP console includes several essential tools that enhance your productivity. Cloud Shell is a browser-based terminal that provides command line interface access along with a built-in code editor. You don't need to install anything on your local machine to use it. The dashboard gives you a project overview with resource summaries and important metrics at a glance. The billing section helps you track costs, set up budgets, and view detailed spending reports. IAM and Admin, which stands for Identity and Access Management, and Admin, allows you to manage permissions, roles, and access controls for your team members and resources. To navigate the GCP console efficiently, here are some best practices. First, learn and use keyboard shortcuts. Press // for search, G+H for home, and # to open the help menu. Second, customize your layout by pinning frequently used services to the top and collapsing sections you don't use often. This personalizes your workspace and saves time. Third, make use of breadcrumb navigation, which appears at the top of pages. Breadcrumbs help you track your current location within the console and allow you to navigate back to previous pages efficiently. Let's recap what we've learned. The GCP console is the central hub for all your Google Cloud Platform management tasks. Everything you need to manage your cloud infrastructure is accessible from this interface. It's important to master the navigation menu, header bar, and search features to work efficiently. Cloud Shell is particularly valuable as it gives you quick command line access without installing any software. Finally, remember to customize the interface with pins and favorites to create a workflow that suits your specific needs. These customizations will significantly improve your efficiency when working with Google Cloud Platform. Thank you for watching this tutorial on navigating the GCP console interface. You're now ready to explore the Google Cloud Console with confidence. Practice navigating through the different sections, try out the features we discussed, and customize the interface to match your workflow. With these skills, you'll be able to manage your Google Cloud resources effectively. Happy cloud computing!
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.